got a lot of girls too wey dey in their 20s, and you wey don dey in your 30s, you wey don dey in your 30s, you go wan follow girls wey dey in their 20s.
Exactly, younger ones.
And because they always dey advise women say marry in your prime.
Yes.
Marry when you are sexy, when you are hot.
Yes.
Like I said, 20. When your body is still standing. You get it? No, na slants.
Na slants. When you
know when that thing is still standing,
when you are hot,
and all that.
When everybody wants
you get it. Many women, you need to understand
when
this.
You are beautiful, everybody want to be with you.
Yes,
guys, they come your house, they pack car. Look for a guy that have a head on the shoulder. Look for that kind of guy. Then you go deal with.
Yes, now
don't be saying that
something.
You deserve more. From there, that's you go eat your 30s. Those guys go come again.
Exactly.
And another thing I want to add again, the mind games what they talk about. Say the mind games that to make women they interest in you. Maybe you just get a girlfriend now. Like just start to the date now. You know, you take her out on a date. You know, hang out where everything go well. The mind games what they talk about now. We say when we say don't build all your life around her. What they talk because when all you do is her, let's go your baby, let's do your baby, she will get tired and bored. But she will say this guy don't have anything to do. It's all about me. Doesn't he have what he's doing? Doesn't he have no woman want to be with a man where another girl don't want to.
Yes.
If every other girl don't want you, she don't want you
at all.
That is another secret. So when you look at what happened in Big Boy in the multi-choice show BB Naija the last time. Look at what happened there. That guy with the run over that girl up and down. He left all this opportunity in that house, everything. Now only that girl.
You know how many girls they treat for each other.
You know how many girls like that guy for inside BB Naija. I don't forget the guy name self.
Ozo.
No, Ozo self do the same thing.
Ozo man. The other one, I don't know. In the
all of them. Those are guys. Those are guys. They will come they cry when people that carry the girl come out to go hide. The guy come they cry.
They cry. Weak men like they cry. Bullshit.
That's how weak. That girl can never.
Okay, now they don't come outside. You don't see them for internet say they get the data.
He can never date you.
You don't see say they get the data.
He can never deal with you. She go find a better man with the way she go follow, not you.
And again, always understand one thing: never be in a rush to tell a woman I love you.
Exactly.
You see, as a man, because they make women think say. No, they always make women think say you no get options.
Yes.
See, they so much in a hurry. When you dey so much in a hurry to tell a woman you see, you don't know how these women they think. Oh.
They are smart. They were born with this knowledge.
See, they can.
They're born. Small people know all these things well like that.
They can sniff. They can sniff the weakness of a man immediately.
Exactly.
They smell. You know, as all these old papa they carry snuff. They sniff them immediately. They know. When they sense weakness in you.
Exactly.
And when a woman sense weakness in you, she cannot find you attractive.
Exactly.
I've said this 10 times with that number. Your lack of self-worth, your lack of self-confidence will always be unattractive to a woman.
Because you feel it to some girl, you can say, okay, drop your number, let me have your number, girl. She can say you can't even say please. That's misentitlement. Then they call those kind of girl. Having a relationship with that kind of girl will cause you drama and problem. Because you say you can't even say please. Okay, say please if I give you my number. Don't ever tell a girl, please give me your number.
They ever try.
Don't say please, okay, please.
They ever try.
Because you are the one doing everything. Once you get that number, now you they call, now you go take her out on a date, now you go do everything. So why are you begging to get that number?
Even if she's the most beautiful girl
even if that's the most beautiful girl in the world. Some guys will talk say, like one guy now I saw in our comment section, he said, now I follow your podcast and I've lost my girlfriend.
I think I go address that today. Very
look at when I saw that comment, I was laughing. If our podcast make you lose that girl, that means that girl
is not for you.
She was never meant to be with you.
Now when you she just change, now the girl don't turn to.
She was just using you. Maybe she they use you, for emotional tampon. She they use you for to get to eat fish and everything. But now when you don't discover some truth now, she don't see I don't open her you. She don't feel handle you anymore. She don't leave.
When I see this guy, that guy message, I laugh.
I
say, God, see this one.
See,
what
guys,
are you saying?
Why, guys? So I don't know what is wrong with guys out there. No matter how you be as a man, because back in our days in our university for school, we always go, they call it that play, they call it we go for hunting games. Like I will come out, my guy will come out. It's okay. I think go out as a guy, if you go out and talk to like 10 girls, one must give you a number.
You don't get how.
You don't get how it be. one must find you what they are, one must give you number.
You're supposed to be having them plenty.
Exactly.
You, so
there are so many beautiful girls in the world today. So many pretty girls in the world out there. So why do you want to die with one? You think you want? If you say this one, you want when they treat you bad, you want die. Some guys, you go to say, what are you saying? This girl, they don't respect you. What are you going to say? No, I love this girl. At the end of the day, you end up sad, lonely, and depressed as a man.
It's like again one way ask another question, self, because many guys they just show weakness. One said, how can I leave a girl that I love and that is playing with my feelings? I don't understand. A girl is messing up with your feelings as a man.
Why do you allow
and you are
that?
telling us that you still want her? How can you leave her? It doesn't make sense. Okay. This girl has already shown you red flag from the beginning.
So many red flags.
How can you be asking a girl out for that level and she's playing with your feelings? Man, guy, I've told you, take a walk, take a bold step and walk out of that relationship.
Another beautiful girl that
do you know how many people out there, how many ladies out there want you? If you get stuck with her, man, guy, you just say that only she remain for this world.
Exactly.
You get it. Take a bold step there and leave that thing.
He's afraid that maybe if I leave this girl, where am I going to get another girl from?
Hey, they fear now.
That is wrong.
They fear.
I say have an abundant.
Oh God, there are plenty pastors for this world.
Have an abundant mindset. I always say this thing, guy. I know it is hard, but have an abundant mindset. It is so easy. Abundant mindset is the fact that if this girl leaves you, you can replace her immediately.
Nah.
Women have biological time clock. As a man grow old like fine wine, like my brother used to say. Yeah, you even know at your 50s, you are still going to get. Once you get your game, you will get married to 22 years old girl. See Ned now. See Ned, for example.
See Ned Okonkwo. He marry all of them.
He's a high value guy.
How old was he when he got married to this young girl? What's her name? Regina Daniel.
How old was he? Not every man at that age can get a girl like that without their money. Make I just tell that the fact too. But that guy has game. He has game. Look at all the wives he's getting married to. That's a father. I respect him a lot.
See, forget that one. See Ned now. You know all the people in Ned they marry.
Some guys they will get money and everything. They can't even keep a girl like that. They can't. So you need to have game as a man.
Many of you, and there are so many guys out there that you have everything. You have your resources. You have everything. You have money. You are rich. You have made your money. But one thing you lack so much is just the mind game of how to chase a woman. That's why many of you, at the end of the day, you marry wrong.
Exactly.
Many of you, once you get married, you never even get 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. You don't know the woman where you just carry for house, no level, nothing.
No respect.
No respect. Let me tell you something as a man. If a woman cheat on you, leave her. If a woman cheat on you, just know that she does not respect you.
Because before she cheat on you, she has already thought about it.
She does not respect.
She don't think I'm already say, what my husband would think. She don't already think before she go open leg for another man. If you're a married man,
leave her alone immediately.
That cheat on you, that go outside and sleep with another man, don't accept that.
Even if now your girlfriend, don't be saying you want to take serious, cheat on you, walk away. You know why?
It go repeat it. It go happen again.
Now very serious matter. Not be joke. Why? Because women
exactly.
Women love more than men.
Yes.
See, women are emotional creatures.
Yes.
No matter how powerful a woman is, she's being controlled by emotion.
Once she open her leg for someone, that means she like that person.
Go and check.
Yes.
Go and check. Majority of all these married women that are cheating in their husband's house today, go and check the men they are cheating with. Is either they are cheating with their former high school lovers,
exactly,
or their old boyfriend before they now finally meet their husband.
Exactly.
You know, now that husband is just a retirement plan for marriage.
Yes.
So the major person they wanted to marry or they dream to marry is that guy.
Yes.
That's why they are still cheating.
Exactly.
Never can tell. See, that's why it's very you need to be very careful as a guy.
Yeah, man.
You get it.
Fact.
And you need to understand this mind game. You need to understand a woman that you cannot satisfy sexually. That she needs sex for over 3-4 hours.
Exactly.
Okay? Be one, that girl don't test many gbola.
Exactly.
The gbolas don't too much. You be say the gbolas don't damage her. She don't confuse.
Her body count. She don't know her body count anymore.
You get it. So
Yeah.
understand all this mind game. They think before you choose a woman.
You can know.
You get it.
You should know
Very
when
important.
to choose a girl as a man. I'm going to give you just a little. You should know when to choose a girl as a guy. Man, you go know girl we don't wild. If you see her, you will know. You see some guys go to toast of
I just tire for them.
you
Oh.
toast of no show. Tell our show they want date. And you, that's I say there's so many sick guys out there. We know that's another topic for another day.
Yeah.
Okay. So many sick guys out there. As a man, you should know what you want as a man. When you see the kind of girl you want, you should know. And you should know when a girl is into you. Some guys don't know when get they into them. How you don't go know when get they into you? You should know. Their interest level, you will see that this get they into you
Yeah.
as a man. So there's another one I want to tell guys again out there. If like beautiful girls, many of them like to work with ugly girls. They like to make ugly girls their friend because they are pretty. I will tell you why. Because when they are working with that ugly girl, they are shining and they are sparkling because they fine pass. Because when your eye go to those girls, if you see 3 girls in the wakala, the most beautiful one, the 2 other girls they don't find, their face be like one kind. So when your eyes go there, that beautiful one you go first see. That see the spark they come out. That see you go first one go talk to. That's why many ugly girls, many beautiful girls, they get ugly girls as friends. So that they go outshine the rest girls. We know this is their mind game. So as a guy, if you see like 3 girls in Waka now, you see the one we find, don't go towards the one we find past my brother.
Go for the ugly one.
Go for the ugly one. Wait, not me say you ugly like that too, but it dey okay, but don't go for that. If you go for that one, you should go for yours. You don't go
I
outside.
lie, even though I lie. Go for the ugly one, we not too fine.
Exactly.
If you go for that one, you go sleep with the 3 of them.
Exactly.
Because that girl is expecting you to come.
Come and talk to her because she fine pass.
So go for the wrong
So
one.
when you go for the ugly one, you are going for that ugly one because you want to get that fine one. No? You go say, how come this guy they don't see me? Now Maka we don't find which way I can go to talk to. Girls play these mind games all the time.
Yeah.
They were born with it.
Yeah.
So now what we are trying to say is that as a man, you need to have game.
Yes, you need to have a man. You need to have a game. It's
Don't
very
be afraid
important.
to approach a woman when you see a woman. That's the
Yes.
first thing.
Yeah.
And when you are looking good as a man, you should have the confidence to talk with any girl. Because some
Anyone,
guys
anyone.
they know they dress well.
No, they fear to talk to any woman.
Do you know why girls when their birthday is coming, I want to go and have a photo shoot. I want to go and do this. A girl will go to the studio and take pictures. You don't know the secret of that. They want to make their hair, they want to make their nails. There's a secret to it. When you see them, you start running after them because you're looking pretty and beautiful.
They love attention. They
love attention, but
validation
we
and all
guys
that.
are not doing the same thing. Some guys don't even take care of themselves. You don't feel dressed well, you know they look good. Invest on yourself as a man.
Very
Please,
important.
it's very, very important. No matter what you are doing, take that small money, go back and buy clothes for your body. Look good, look clean. Buy roller, buy perfume, smell nice. That's the first step to what this is going to talk about. Don't call me and they talk say you don't get no they give for you because you dirty, you only dirty like you be. Some boys will get bossa, never watch their bossa for 2 what I never watch your bossa for more than a month. Guy, take care of yourself.
Buckle up, buckle up. Very
Take care of
important.
yourself. Look good, look clean.
Very important.
Because that's the first approach first. And don't be afraid to approach a girl. Second, do not pay for any girl's number. These are the mind games you are talking about. So, because when you don't pay for a number, when you meet at the shop, you don't pay, you collect that number. The girl will reach out and say, this guy never called me. And when you call, tell her that you guys should go out on a date. And on that date, be composed. Compose yourself.
Be composed. Go straight to the point.
Go straight to
and
the
tell girl
point.
what you want.
Girl, I like your vibe. I feel your vibe. I like you. I would like to have something serious with you. It's as simple as that, okay? Then you take it to the next level. You see what happened. After that first day, you go home. Don't over pursue a girl. Some girls, and then they pursue. They go over pursue. The girl will get bored and tired. It's like you get your phone, like go see 20 missed call from you. What did they happen? You don't get it when it do. It is wrong.
As a guy, normally you should not call a girl more than 2 times.
Don't do
Like
that.
if you call her, she didn't pick the first
Don't
time.
call her again.
Try the second one.
last
If she
time.
didn't pick, stop calling her. You get just stop calling her for that day. Give
Exactly.
her some time.
Exactly.
You don't.
Yes, bro, guys, we're back again. Your
Yeah,
boy,
we are back again.
we're back
OD and
again,
AK.
Yes, we're back again, guys, and
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah, we're about to come to an end. We're about to come to an end on this topic, and we really want to tell you guys again one more time, please follow us on our various social media platform. We love you guys so much. We are always coming with different content and different message for you guys to learn from.
Exactly.
And trust me, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
Yeah.
If remember, as a man, you are the prize. You are the prize. Man grow old like wine, and a woman grow old like milk.
Yes. So we are going to be rounding up with this amazing topic: mind games that keep women interested in you. Okay, we are ending up with this topic. We're rounding up. I want to have our final word so that we can round up. Okay, so bro, any final word for the guys out there?
Yeah.
Mind games that keep women interested in you.
Yes, just like what we said. See, let me tell you something. Sometimes in life, as a man, it is better to be feared than to be loved.
Exactly.
You get it. What the bone of contention in all these things, what crown it all is, you just need to know the authority. You just need to know that you are the authority that is authoritating in anything you are doing in this life.
Yes.
As a man, you are a leader.
You're in charge.
You are in charge in anything you are doing. You are the leader in your house, in your home. You see, everybody is a leader in his or her area of functioning.
Yeah.
Wherever you're functioning now, you are a leader.
Yes.
So also understand and try and lead well, because you are still going to be a leader in your home. If you're not married yet, you're going to get married today, you're going to be a leader. So lead well, because the people you're going to be raising tomorrow are going to also want to follow your trait.
Yes.
You get it? So I love you so much. Remember what I said. It is better to be feared than to be loved.
Yes, man. That's a nice one right there, bro. So basically, I'm going to be rounding up too. As a guy out there, invest on yourself. That's the number one. Invest in yourself so that women can find you attractive. A woman does not want to date a broke-ass guy that does not have a dream, that does not have anything he's doing. No woman wants to be with a man like that. That is the truth. If you don't have anything you're doing, you're not chasing your dream, you're not doing anything for yourself, why would a woman want to be with you? First of all, because women, like during the time of our forefathers, they were warriors. They go to war and they come back. The women want to be with the warrior. They want to be with the guy, the most strongest man in the village. Okay, that's what they see. They want to have his seed, because they know that this man is an alpha man, that the child are going to bear for him, the king will be warrior, go strong. That's how women are created to be. Because I'm going to give you my last final example, because when God created the man, Adam, the first thing he gave him was walk. Neighbor the animals in the garden. The first thing God gave a man to do was walk. So every man, when they are working, they are making money, they are happy. But when God created a woman, the first thing she saw when she came into this earth was a man. That's the first thing she saw was a man. That's Adam, to be his helper, to please him, to serve him. See, when a woman sees you that you are not doing anything, you are not being worthy, why would she want to be with you? So guys, invest on yourself. Focus on your business. No matter anything you are doing, even though as I always say, any business you are doing, as long as that thing is putting food on your table, you are a man. So guys, please, that's what I'm going to be rounding up with. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for your love, because we have been seeing your comments. We love and respect you guys so much.
Thank you so much for everything. Like we said, follow us in our various social media platforms.
Please, guys.
Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. We love you so much.
Exactly.
Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
Yeah.
Save a brother out there, because there are a lot of guys out there who are still totally ignorant about all these things about women and everything.
Exactly.
We get it, man.
So guys, please, there's a button on our TikTok page. Click that button and it's going to bring out our YouTube link. That's the easiest and fastest way to get to our YouTube, because we are having about almost thousands of followers on TikTok, and our YouTube we don't have any subscribers, no more subscribers. So please, everybody, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Because why we are saying that, because I don't want to say much, but go subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we'll also be going live both here and YouTube.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Just go there, click the subscribe button and comment. It's very easy.
Yeah.
Please support this podcast.
Support this podcast.
Because
you support your brothers.
If you don't support this podcast, my brother, you don't go anywhere.
Who will start to speak English? Support this podcast.
Support this podcast. I beg.
Support us by following us.
So we are going to be back with another amazing topic. We love you guys. Thank you guys.
Yes, so take care of yourself. We love you guys. You know, if you treat her like what? If you treat her
like a celebrity,
she's gonna treat you like a fan.
It's a simple thing. Don't hate the player.
Hate the game.
Peace out.
Peace out, man. Take care. We love you, man. Peace.
Let's do another